This video will demonstrate how to navigate to our LMS, or Learning Management System, which is called Brightspace by D2L. We call it D2L for short. I'm going to show you how to log in and briefly review the My Home page with you. To start, please be sure you're in a browser other than Internet Explorer. Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox are all good and support the use of D2L. So to log in, if you are at school, you would have already logged in, and therefore, when you navigate to ucdsb.elearningontario.ca, and this is how you would type it in the address bar, and you navigate to this, your computer will automatically log you into D2L without having to use another username and password. This is what we call single sign-on. If you're trying to log in from home or on a personal device that is not linked to your school network, the login procedure is a little bit different. Let me demonstrate by using Microsoft Edge. So the same thing goes here. You type in ucdsb.elearningontario in the address bar, and by navigating here, you are going to be prompted for your username and password. The username and password here are the same ones you would use for logging into a school computer. And this applies to students as well as staff. So once I place that in here, it will log me into D2L. I have added a login sheet with instructions that you can share with students. It is in the form of a link underneath this video. Once you've successfully logged into D2L, you're going to automatically be brought to this landing page, or as we call it, My Home page. You can return to this page at any time if you get lost while you're navigating in D2L, simply by clicking on the Home icon. There are four main areas that I want to go over with to make sure that you get familiar with these areas, which we call widgets. For example, My Courses is a widget. Getting Started is a widget. Let me look at My Courses quickly for you. In this area, all the courses that you have access to are listed in the form of tiles, such as these. These can be filtered by school year and semester. The filter is here, and you'll see, for example, 16-7 refers to the school year, SS is summer, or semester 1, or semester 2. So I can easily go through this and click on the current year and semester to see which courses I have active under this particular filter. Getting Started is another widget. Simply follow the instructions here, and you can self-register for a course or a module, which includes how-to videos that you can watch on your own time and at your own pace. A small tip here, some of these widgets can be large. For example, mine is very large, so I can decide to collapse the widget, which will save some space. Or if I wanted to look at another one, for example, the D2L Tech Support Portal, I can expand the widget so that I can see what is in there. The Announcements widget is another area that's important to get familiar with. This is an area that's dedicated to a news feed that is managed by me, in this case. It's a way of communicating information to all users. Some of the news items are conditionally released, as you see here, which means that only staff can see these. If they're not conditionally released, then it will be able to be seen by staff and students. If you scroll down, you see that there's an area here that says Show All Announcements. For the sake of space, the announcements may only show 3 or 4 of them. If you click on Show All Announcements, then you'll have access to all of the announcements that are hidden in the back. Remember that if you ever get lost, it's simply a click on My Home, and you'll be brought back at the top of the landing page. The last widget to become familiar with is the D2L Tech Support Portal, which I've shown you briefly. This is a 24/7 D2L tech support area for both staff and students. If all else fails, you or a student can read FAQs, call, chat, or email a D2L tech person who will help you work through solutions for any technical difficulties that you may be experiencing. So please practice your new skills and enjoy your online experience. Always remember that I'm an email away if you have any questions.